Welcome to the new LSVT Global website. In this video, we will be going over how to edit or update your clinician profile. Once you have logged into your clinician dashboard, one of the first links near the top of the page is the Edit View Profile link. Clicking on this link will take you to your clinician profile. Everything but what is listed under private information will be viewable on the clinician search. Click the blue Edit button at the top of the screen to begin updating your information. You can change your salutation, name, areas of practice, languages spoken, and if you are accepting new patients. Loud clinicians will also be able to add their ASHA information here. If you want to have your CEUs reported to ASHA, select yes, and if not, select no. If you want to be seen on the clinician search, you will need to check the checkbox below Available in Clinician Search. Unfortunately, you will not be able to edit your email address since it is tied to your login. If you need to change or update your email, please let us know. Private information will not be shown on the website. Once you have completed all your changes, you can hit Save, or if you do not want to change anything, hit Cancel. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office directly or email info@lsvtglobal.com.